This situation might happen or happening nighttime. Yeah, I'm seeing that it's quite dark, but it's not gloomy. Actually, napaka-calm lang, no, ng energy. So, this situation might happen at night or nighttime. Okay? Let us see. What is this ula about? Angels and guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Whoa. This might be someone here na magbibigay sa'yo ng full of emotions na mensahe. But for some reason, it's appearing here to be somewhat fresh. Maybe a new guy or a new girl, or maybe feels like new. Let us see. Wow. Could be younger than you, but doesn't have to be. Maybe younger looking sa kanyang age. Yan. No? For some reason, nakakuha tayo ng mature vibe sa kanyang aura. Let us see. Tsaka ano itong nangyayari during nighttime? Kaya mag-alala, hindi yun yung iniisip ninyo, no? Baka malisyoso nyo. Iba, no? Iba yung nakukuha natin situation, pero hindi ko pa masyadong maklaro, kaya hingi-hingi muna tayo. Yeah, look at that, see? Okay? I think this is something here that you're waiting for. Yan, no? Okay. Oh, interesting. Medyo kakaiba yung reading natin ngayon, ha? But I'm gonna tell you later, Dashone. So, let me just finish, no, yung pag-lay ng ating energy sa ating table before we start talking more. But this is not our usual, day-to-day na nai-encounter na readings, no? This is really interesting, guys. So this might be appearing here as a personal reading for someone watching. Maybe there's a viewer here na makaresonate dito, no? So, just take how this resonates. Kumbaga, no, sa case, this is a special case. Yan, no, bongga mga babes, no? So, yan. We have here this Knight of Swords energy. I think that is your energy, the Knight of Swords energy. We also have here, yeah, the Seven of Cups, of course. Yeah, interesting. Lovers. Bottom of the deck, we've got the Moon, the King of Swords, and the Two of Cups. Okay, okay, okay. Interesting. So, let me just fix my phone, guys. Okay, so hi and hello there new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome tuloy. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. So yun nga mga babes, wala po tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong i-flip yung roles if you want. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will with you na free nyo rin gamitin anytime, anywhere. So if you happen na hindi pa alam na meron pa tayong isang channel, ang link po niyan is nasa ating description box. So, you wanna make check, no, doon at pwede rin kayong tumambay doon, syempre naman. No? At syempre, ako rin yung nandun. May choice pa ba kayo? So, yung mga babes, no? Yan. So, dito, with the Queen of Swords energy, and there's this Four of Swords. Okay, Hermit energy. Yan. Dalawa yung nakita ko rito. Yan. Doon muna tayo sa unang scenario. Okay? Dito nakikita ko, na meron kayo rito na napapanaginipan. Yan. First scenario, one, no? Person ito na kilala mo. Second scenario, person ito na hindi mo kilala pero ang linaw niya, na naka-register, kita mo yung face niya, doon sa yung panaginip, but wala, hindi mo kilala yung person na yan. Yan. So, kung sino man to, alin man kayo dyan, ipapaliwanag ko yung scenario, kaya huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay? So, dun muna tayo. Okay? Sa hindi mo kilala yan. Yan, no? So, ikaw ito na posibleng hindi lang isang beses mong napanaginipan yung guy na yan or yung woman na yan, no? So, ikaw ito mga babes, na nagtataka dito, who is this guy? Who is this girl, na higit na sa isa na napanaginipan mo siya at hindi blur ang kanya ritong face, na naka-register sa iyong panaginip, malinaw mo talaga siyang nakikita doon, no? So, ibig sabihin, this is someone here na hindi mo pa na-encounter in this lifetime or in this 3D world, pero nagkasama na kayo sa 5D world, which is the world of panaginip, no? At, take note, magkarelasyon kayo sa panaginip, no? So, yeah, look at that. Interesting, isn't it? No? Sa panaginip mo, meron kang ka-in relationship tas hindi mo siya kilala. Pero you are happy there, you are sharing that wonderful love, romantic relationship with that person there, no? Pero who is that guy, who is that girl na lumalabas na karelasyon ko sa panaginip? Hindi ko pa nga siya na-meet in person. Yan, no? And this is you with the Hermit energy right here na in the presence of Ace of Cups energy in the World card right here. This is you. Okay? You have this big question. Ito bang person na to is nag-i-exist sa 3D world? Isa kaya siyang tunay na tao at nabubuhay din sa lifetime kung saan ako nabubuhay? Yan yung malaki mong tanong. Kung yung tao ba na yan na nakikita mo sa panaginip mo at hindi lang basta nakita mo kundi karelasyon mo sa panaginip mo, boyfriend, girlfriend, asawa mo sa panaginip mo, no, pero never mo pang na-meet in person, ang question mo, malaking tanong, eto bang tao na to nag-i-exist dito sa 3D world mo? Yan, oh. Cham ka man. Now, let's move on to that second scenario. Ito na yung second scenario, no? Napapanaginipan mo yung taong kakilala mo. Okay? Sa panaginip mo, magkarelasyon kayo. Boyfriend, girlfriend, or asawa mo siya sa panaginip mo. Pero sa 3D world, okay? Ikaw ito, mga babes, na wala kayong relationship, pwedeng magkatrabaho kayo, lumalabas yung with the Page of Pentacles energy, or pwede rin naman na kaibigan mo siya. Pero sa panaginip mo, bakit magkarelasyon kayo doon? Anong pahiwatig nito? Pasok, Tito Boy. So, see? Interesting. Yet, intriguing, 'di ba? So, nakaka-intriga yung nakuha natin dito, 'di ba? Anong pahiwatig 'yan, no? Anong klaseng pahiwatig 'yan, 'di ba? Saan ka nabibilang muna do'n? Do'n ka ba sa hindi mo siya kilala? Tapos, iniisip mo kung isa ba siyang tunay na taong nabubuhay din dito sa mundong ginagalawan mo? Yan, no? Or nag-i-exist ba siya? Isa ba siyang human being ngayon, no? Or isa lang siyang parte ng malikot mong imahinasyon, no? At wala lang. Okay. Or doon ka nabibilang sa second scenario, nakilala mo siya pero sa reality or sa 3D world, hindi kayo magka-in relationship. Magkaibigan lang kayo or kayo ito, na magkatrabaho lang. period, no? Walang labis at walang kulang. Na, 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 na. So, eto na mga babes, no? So, binigay sa atin ang kasagutan dito at sasabihin ko ang kasagutan pagtapos ng commercial na ito. Epal yung reader. May commercial. Sige mga babes, no? Ito na nga. Babanggitin ko na sa inyo. Ito yung main energy ninyo. With the Knight of Swords energy. This is you, you know. You want answers. Yan. You want answers. So, nakikita ko rito, no, na gusto ninyong malaman yung sagot. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng iyong panaginip? No? Mapa scenario A ka man or mapa scenario B, wala tayo sa pick a set, pero mamili kayo doon, alin doon ang nakare-resonate kayo. Pero alin man dun, nakikita ko na itong energy ninyo. This is you, you are probably looking for answers or you will definitely 101% look for answers. Ace of Swords energy para matuldukan ang inyong confusion right here. So, here is it. The answer is this. Okay? For the scenario 1, okay, that person na nakikita mo sa panaginip mo, but let me tell this to you first before I'll explain to you the answers given by your angels and guides right here. No? Everything happens for a reason. So, dun pa lang, makakaasa kayo na hindi wala lang na napanaginipan nyo yon. Ibig sabihin, may rason na pinapahiwatig doon. Yan na yan, no? So, dito nakita ko mga babes, no, for the scenario 1, okay, ang pinakamalaking tanong mo, no, kung yung tao ba na yun ay nabubuhay din in this lifetime or nag exist ba yung ganong klase ng tao? Ganun ba talaga yung itsura ng tao na yun in person? Yun ba yung tao na makaka-encounter mo in this 3D world? Ito, tong world na to, kung saan naririnig din nyo ako, kung saan kayo gumagalaw, nabubuhay, diba? Well, definitely, the answer is yes. Page of Coins energy, Three of Wands energy, Tower right here. That person appears to be a real 101% human being. That person exists in 3D world. Ibig sabihin, nabubuhay din siya in this 3D world. No? So, yun ba yun, Miss Yan? Tama ba yung iniisip ko? Yes, 102% babes, you're correct. Okay? You've read my mind. This person here is someone na mamimit mo na in the future. Okay? And this person is appearing to be, look at that, we've got the Queen of Swords energy and the King of Swords is also here. See? You will definitely meet each other in the future, and the lovers right here is an indication, no, na ito yung person na nakatakda for you. Isang sneak peek ang nakita mo sa iyong panaginip, isang bahagi ng iyong future ang iyong nakita sa iyong panaginip. You will definitely meet your divine counterpart right here in this person exists in this world. So, yeah. See? Talagang makaka-in relationship mo siya in the future. At ang nakita mo sa iyong panaginip ay ang mga magiging, okay, moments ninyo together. Wow! See, look at that. Destiny works in this reading of yours, babe. See? Parang pinakita sa'yo yung itsura ng taong makakatuluyan mo, ang taong para sa'yo, no? So, nakita ko rito that destiny, look at that, the big angel is right at the middle of you guys, both of you. So, it looks like with the big mountain right here, hindi pa kayo nagmi-meet nitong person na to, no? But you will definitely meet that person here one day. And I do see that hindi na ito distant future because it's very near the vibe that I'm feeling, the frequency and the vibration, no, gets intense. So, ibig sabihin, no, this might happen here in the future or in the immediate future here of someone watching. See? And that might be you. Okay? So yeah, dun naman tayo sa second scenario. Kilala mo 'tong person na 'to pero wala naman kayong relationship at wala namang namamagitan sa inyo. Wala rin naman nagpaparamdam ng feelings and emotions 'no. Pero bakit mo nga ba napapanaginipan ang taong kilala mo na posibleng katrabaho mo or kaibigan mo pero sa panaginip mo magkarelasyon kayo? Anong pinapahiwatig nito? Kung 'yan ang sinasabi 'no, dito 'no na nakikita mo sa iyong panaginip, okay, that person here is the one for you. Ah, Miss yan, meron yung boyfriend, may girlfriend yun. Hold on. Okay. Regardless kung mag-boyfriend, girlfriend sila, kung sino man yung kakonek niya, hindi yun ang para sa kanya dahil ikaw ang lumalabas na destined at yun ay hindi pa nakikita ngayon ninyong dalawa. But the evidence and the proof ay sinasampal ako dito, mga bishi. At ang pula-pula na ng fest ko, no, ibig sabihin, mag-e-end yun. Feel ko that? The Scorpion, you know, Scorpion is right here. Mag-e-end yun, and then the bridge right here will connect both of you, and you are nakatakda for each other. Kung sino man yung ka-relationship niya, mag-e-end yun dahil hindi sila yung para sa isa't isa. Kung ano yung nakita mo sa panaginip mo, isang pahiwatig yon, no? Na yun ay ang magiging scenario ninyo in the future nitong person na ito. So, ibig sabihin, you've already met here the love of your life. You've already met here someone na destined for you, meant to be right beside you, no? And it so happened to be that person na coworker mo or friend mo. Regardless, no, hindi ko nakikita na ikaw ito, no, nasasabihin mo, excuse me, ako yung para sa'yo. Walang gano'n, no, at walang pang-aagaw na mangyayari dito. It will just be naturally mag-a-unfold na lang. May mga situations dito, no, na mabubuwag yung kanilang connection pero you are not someone here na gagawa nun, okay? The universe will do it for you guys, okay? Because you are the one meant to be for that person. See? Look at that, okay? It feels so magically unfolding here, no? Pero yun talaga yun. Kung ano yung ipinakita sa iyong panaginip, no, ay hindi wala lang, kundi isang pahiwatig na ang taong nakasama mo sa isang labi-dabi na koneksyon sa panaginip mo, ka-holding hands mo, ka-kiss mo, kayakapan mo, whatever, that person exists in the 3D world and that person is meant for you. So prepare na magulat kayo sa hinahanap ninyong kasagutan dahil ang sagot ay hindi nyo nakuha kay Tito Boy, kundi kay ate yan. I'm seeing that this is something here that might be shocking for you, but definitely this is what it is, sweetheart. So yeah, okay? Even me, nakita nyo naman, umpisa pa lang ng paglalatag natin dito ng mga energies, no? Pati ako, sinabi ko na agad, diretso sa inyo. Interesting. Napaka-interesante ng reading na ito because this is something here na not our usual day-to-day, isn't it? Diba? So yeah, claim this beautiful message right here. Not ito pa na mga babes ang pwede ninyong idagdag na clues dyan. I'm seeing letter S, letter D, letter A, and letter N. So might be part of your names or both of your names or maybe this is someone here na ito yung clue ninyo about sa kanya. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweetheart. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. And muli ako po siya na inyong psychic medium. 사랑해요. Love and light. 안녕.